Anna Griffin's Engraved Botanica card kit has 187 pieces for quick and elegant card making. Anna gives you so much to choose from, and it's going to be so easy to put these together. I do want to mention that these all come in this great big storage box, and it says 20 unique cards. So I'm betting that you're going to have a lot of die cuts left over after you make them, but this is really nice. It's a nice heavy-duty box, and Anna says after you make your cards, this is a great little storage box for all of those beautiful cards that you're going to create. It does come with this great inspiration sheet. So you've got inspiration on the front. We're going to show inspiration on the back as well for these beautiful layered cards that you can make with this. This comes with ribbon too, so that's great. It really is going to give you a finished look. Lots more ideas on the front, but also instructions. She shows you just how to place the inserts in the card. She gives you tips and techniques for making a beautiful card. So let's get into the different pieces that you're going to get within the kit. You get the box, you get the instructions, and before I go into those beautiful die cuts, I'm going to go ahead and show you the foam squares. You get a sheet of foam squares, so you can add die cuts with these if you like. They are double-sided adhesive, so that's ready to go. You get these nice little printed card layers, 20 of these. They are single-sided, but they're cardstock, and you're going to get 2 of each of these designs. Just beautiful. Now these make it simple to just place right on the front of your card and just start layering those die cuts, and you can choose any look that you like, mix and match. 20 of those, and 20 5x7 printed cards. So we've got here's the fold on the left. They are blank on the inside. They're ready for inserts, which also I'll show you those. We have inserts with sentiments. But what I like about these is that they have this printing on the back too, handmade by, so you can go ahead and put your little name in there, and it's so beautiful. And so you're going to get that on the back of each and every card. You're going to get several different designs here, this beautiful blue, these greens. I love this vintage look. All of these great cards, 20 all together. So just go through, pick the color that you want, and then start matching up your die cuts. You get 2 of each of the designs that I'm going through here kind of quickly, but you get 2 of each, so you're going to get 20 cards, and you're going to get 20 envelopes as well. So you'll be able to make 20 cards with what is in this one kit. Now let's take a look at these die cuts. So there are some border strips, and you're getting 12 printed border strips in all of these great colors. You're also getting ribbon. So here we have a little package of straight green ribbon, so that's nice. And all together you're getting 12 bows and 6 ribbon strips. 6 of the bows are in this ivory, knotted ivory, and 6 of them are pink bows, so 3 different kinds of ribbon there. So 12 bows and 6 ribbon strips all together. And then let's see, 40 layered, let's see, we'll start with the filigree strips right here. Let me back up. 15 die cut filigree stickers. Okay, so filigree shapes, and these are stickers. Now you know they're stickers when you turn them over and you see white on the back. Those are stickers. When you turn the die cuts over and you see it has like an ivory or a manila look, then those are not stickers. It's the white that means they have white paper on there, and you're just going to be able to work the edge a little bit. And I don't know if I can get it up because I'm not really great at that, but there we go. I think you can see the paper starting to come up, and then you can grab that with your very adept fingernails, not mine, and peel it back. I'm trying to, there we go. When it's white, it is paper, and you can peel that off. It really isn't difficult to do. It's just me. I've always had trouble with that. So there we go. And then that peels right off, and then you've got a great sticker. So you can add those onto your card very simply. And I love all of these different filigree shapes in the different colors. So several of each of these shapes, altogether 15 of these filigree shapes, and these are all stickers. Nice big ones too. and just start layering your die cuts on top of those on your cards. Then you get 40 layered die cut sticker shapes. Wait a minute, that's over here 40. Let me back up. 20 layered foiled die cut sentiment stickers, and all different sentiments on there with deepest sympathy. Congratulations. And each one of these, by the way, is layered. Look, that's like a double layer of foam tape, so it's really got this nice layered look, and these all have gold foiling on them. Congratulations for my friend on this special day. Best wishes, thinking of you, with love, feel better. So really across the board, it's going to be great for all different occasions, and you've got lots of different shapes to choose from too. 20 of those layered foiled die cut sentiments. Here we go with the 40 layered die cut sticker shapes. So those were stickers too. Did I mention they were stickers? The sentiments, they're white on the back, so you're going to be able to peel that off, and that's a sticker. These are stickers, and lots of different shapes in there. We've got crowns, we've got roses, and all of these are layered like so. So a couple of different layers in there, and really some nice layering going on. And again, you've got that paper on the back that comes off, and then it will be sticky. I know because it's white, and I did test it. And so beautiful butterflies, flowers. It's such a vintage look with all of these different shapes. I'm going to get down to this box here, which I think is great. More flowers, and I love that they're kind of muted colors. Look at that, beautiful hyacinths, I think, and a beautiful box, so for birthdays. And just start mixing, matching, and layering, and she shows you, Anna shows you just how to do that in the instructions. I love the bees and teacups, so lots of fun images in here. 40 of those. 40 layered die cut sticker shapes, along with 20 layered die cut sentiment shapes. You've got more stickers in these filigrees, you've got ribbons, you've got cards, everything all in one box. Anna makes it so simple to create elegant cards, and it's so fun to mix and match.